Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can link your Facebook account to your Instagram account. So in order to do this, you of course need an Instagram account and you need a Facebook account where you know the password to. So in order to link them, all you need to do is go into your Instagram, just like this, and click on Edit Profile. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on Personal Information Settings. Here what we're going to do is we're going to simply click on Accounts right here, click on Add Accounts, click on Add Facebook Account and click on Continue. Click on the Facebook account you want to add, for example this one. Click on Continue, click on Yes, finish adding, just like this. And now your Facebook account will be added to your Instagram account, and that's literally all you need to do. And now you can use your Instagram and Facebook account with a lot of new features. So that's how you can link your Instagram to your Facebook and vice versa, because it will also work the same over if you want to link Facebook to Instagram and Instagram to Facebook. So that's how you can link your Facebook account to your Instagram. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.